So now let's see the second scientist, that is known as Adolf Engler and Karl Prandtl. So the time period for Adolf Engler is 1844-1930. For Karl Prandtl it is 1849 to 1893. They both were German botanists. They have worked on plant taxonomy and phytogeography. The book which they have written is Die Nature Lichen Pflanzen Familien. This book was published in 1887. This book simply means in English the nature of plant family. So this was the English meaning of the book. Near about 23 volumes of this book were printed. Next point, they successfully classified from algae to angiosperm. So their classification was quite broad. So this was the work which was done by Engler and Prandtl. So we'll quickly have a look of it. Okay, so the next point what we were looking is Engler and Prandtl. Okay, the time period is 1844 and 1930, 1849 to 1893. They both have collaborated for the work. Okay, these both were German botanists. They worked on plant taxonomy and phytogeography, where that particular plant is going to live. That is what is in phytogeography. The book what they have written is Die Nature Lichen Pflanzen Familien in 1887. Okay, which in English means the nature of plant family. Okay, there were near about 23 volumes of that book, and they were successful in classifying the plants from algae to angiosperm. Now we'll look at the demerits of Engler and Prandtl classification. Now let's see the demerits of Engler and Prandtl system. They suggested monocot are primitive. Primitive means old. Primitive to dicot. But actually dicot is older than monocot. So this statement was false. Concept of primitive flower what they have given means primitive flower was proved wrong by modern concept of evolution. Fine. So flower was the most primitive one on the plant. Okay, this concept was also wrong. So flower is the oldest part which could be seen in the plants. Okay, again this statement was proven wrong by modern concept of evolution. Next point, practical utility of classification was limited. So let's see the demerits of phylogenetic system of classification. They suggested that monocot is old than dicot, which is not true. Okay, and the flower is the most primitive part. Okay, in algae you don't have flower, in bryophytes you don't have flower, so how flower becomes primitive? Again this concept was proven wrong by modern concept of evolution. Okay, and the practical approach of their relationship was not very feasible or approachable or easy. Therefore the practical utility of this Engler and Plantrel classification is not accepted. Now here we complete the topic related to Engler and Plantrel's classification. Now we'll be looking at very important classification that is known as Hutchinson classification. Hope you like today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.